Hey everyone, welcome back to BG News. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of PC building. Building your own computer might seem like a daunting task, but fear not. We're here to guide you through every step of the process. First things first, let's talk about the components you'll need. Your PC will consist of a motherboard, CPU, GPU, RAM, storage drives, power supply, and a case. It's essential to choose components that are compatible with each other, so be sure to do your research beforehand. Once you've gathered all your components, it's time to start assembling. Begin by installing the CPU onto the motherboard, followed by the RAM modules. Make sure to handle these components with care to avoid any damage. Next, it's time to mount the motherboard into the case. Align it with the standoffs and secure it in place with screws. Then, install the power supply, ensuring all cables are properly connected to the motherboard and other components. Now comes the fun part: installing the GPU, storage drives, and any additional peripherals like fans or RGB lighting. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for each component to ensure proper installation. With everything in place, it's time to power up your new PC. Connect the power cable, monitor, keyboard, and mouse, then press the power button. If all goes well, you should see the BIOS screen appear, indicating that your PC is up and running. But wait, we're not done yet. Before you start using your new PC, it's essential to install an operating system. Whether you prefer Windows, Linux, or macOS, be sure to have your installation media ready to go. And there you have it, your first PC build is complete. Give yourself a pat on the back for a job well done. Remember, building a PC is a learning experience, so don't be afraid to ask for help if you run into any issues along the way. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to BG News for more tech tips and tutorials.